cannot many one. Similarly, any function which have onto that cannot into, means onto function and into function are alternative properties of the function. Now we discuss the definition of the onto function. Onto function is any function function A to B is defined. Function A to B is defined, and every element of set B has free image in set A. Then the function is called onto function. We can show that by any example of the onto function. Here is an example given. Suppose that A and B are two sets. The elements of set A is, suppose that P, Q, R, S, T, and element of set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. P has image 1, Q has image 2, R has image 3, S image 4, T image 5. In this example, the set B has one element 6, which is not any free image in set A. Hence, this function is not onto function. For onto function, there is no any element in set B. This is not any element. Not any free image in set A. Hence, here 6 is in an element which is left in set B, whose there is no any free image in set A. Hence, this function is not defined as onto function. It is not onto function. Now we say about another function. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and suppose that A, B, C, D, E. 1 has element A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, and 5, E. In this example, we examine that every set of set B has some free image in set A. Hence, this type of the function is onto function. Means it is exact form of onto function, and we can say that it is onto function. Now we can examine the onto function in any given function, such that suppose that now we discuss the rule for examining the onto function. For onto function, any function of variable x, it will be changed in variable y. Suppose that an example is given fx equal to x cube, where function r to r is defined. To check any function is onto function. First of all, here a given function r to r. where R is a set of real number, means the set of real number is function defined with the set of real number, means a function is defined as real number, set of real number to the set of real number. Then and such that fx equal to x cube, means for every value of x from domain R, x cube will find from this rule in set R. Now we have to check this function is onto or not onto. First of all, we change the function fx as y. Let fx is equal to y. If fx is equal to y, then y will be equal to x2. Now we convert this function as the independent variable y. Here independent variable is x. Now we have to convert this function as independent variable y. Hence x equal to y to the power 1 by 3. Then this implies x equal to y to the power, x equal to cube root of y. Now we observe that the cube root of y is any real number or y is real. Means if y is real number, then its cube root is also real number. Then if any real number taken from the codomain, then its value from this function, this rule is taken as x, and x is also real number. Hence we can say that for cube root y is element of real number. Hence we can say that y is element of real number, then x is also element of real number. Hence the function is defined, and this type of the function is onto function. It is the general criteria for checking the onto function. Hence the given function is onto function. If the any function is not onto function, means which is not satisfied the rule of onto function, then that function will be into function. Means any function has two properties, one or many one, and into and onto. Hence any function has two properties at one time, and that property is satisfied as one onto function, and one onto function is called bijective function. In the examination, generally the question arises to prove any function is bijective function, means one onto function or one into function. Suppose that now bijective function, bijective function. If any function is one function, one and onto function, then the function will be bijective. means the function have two properties at one time. That property is 1 1 and onto both means the function has 1 1 properties and onto properties, then that is called the bijective. Means bijective function is also the 1 1 function and onto function. Now we discuss about an example. Here function n to n is defined. Some example. First, function n to n is defined. Means natural number to natural number is defined, and the function defined as the rule of fx equal to such that fx equal to 2x. It is the rule of the function. This function is defined for this property, for this rule. We have to prove that this function is 1 1 and into function, so that the function is 1 1 into function. So first of all, we have to prove that this the given function is 1 1 function, and after that we have to prove the function is into function or onto function. If the function is not onto, then it is also it is purely into function. Then first of all, our 1 1 function, 1 1 function. We have to take two elements from domain. Here domain is natural number, means we have to take two natural numbers such that the both natural number is not equal to each other and the function is also not equal to each other. Hence, we speak about this. Let x1 and x2 is element of natural number, and x1 does not equal to x2, means two natural number can be taken in this way. The both natural number is not equal. Now we have to check for this natural number the function fx1 and fx2 are not equal. Clear? For fx1 and fx2, fx1 is equal to fx2. If fx1 is equal to fx2, then fx1 is equal to 2x1. This implies 2x1 will be equal to 2x2. 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Then since 2 and 2 will be cancelled, therefore x1 is equal to x2. We observe that if x1 and equal to x2, then x1 will be fx1 will be equal to fx2, and if fx1 is not equal to fx2, then 2x1 will also not equal to 2x2, and hence x1 is not equal to x2. Then we find that if x1 is not equal to x2, then fx1 is also not equal to fx2. Hence, the function is 1 1 function. 1 1 function. Now we want to show the function is onto or not onto, or onto function. According to rule of checking the onto function, we have to take, suppose fx is equal to y, this implies y is equal to 2x. This implies x is equal to y by 2 by side changing of 2. If y is element of natural number, then y by 2 cannot be possible. Y by 2 cannot be natural number. Sometimes y by 2 will be natural number, and sometimes y by 2 cannot be natural number. It depends on y is even or odd. If y is even number, then y by 2 will be natural number. If y is odd number, then y by 2 cannot will be natural number. If y is even, then y by 2 will be y by 2 is element of natural number, and y is odd number, or then y by 2 cannot element of natural number. Hence, we say that for every value of or every element of natural number, the x cannot be natural number. Hence, for every y is element of natural number, x cannot be natural number, then the function is not onto function. Then the given function is 1 but not onto. Means the function is 1 into function. Therefore, the function is 1 into function. It is true. इससे ज़्यादा बनाएंगे तो 5 मिनट और बढ़े 5 मिनट ज़्यादा ही बढ़ सकते हैं।
रुक जाओ ना।